Everyone, welcome to my Freedom Friday today. I'm Lynette Badenhorst and I help entrepreneurs, business owners, professionals and everyday South Africans create recurring income without selling a thing so that they can finally start to work on their bucket lists. If you are living from paycheck to paycheck, is that living or is it existing? Today's session is going to be fun, practical, and maybe even a little eye-opening, because I'm not here to just tell you things. I'm going to share exactly how and why I use free tools to build my online income and how you can do the same. Now, for those who don't know me yet, my name is Lynette Badenhorst, and I'm speaking to you all the way from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. For the past 10 years, I've been on my incredible journey helping South Africans take back control of their financial futures without taking any risk, without selling products, and without jumping from one get-rich idea to another. I've seen firsthand how ordinary people just like you and me, can transform their lives, their incomes, their confidence, and their entire outlook on life when they have access to the right system and the right support. So welcome to everyone joining my live today. I see my regulars, Belinda, as always, lovely to see you here. Then Peter, welcome back, Cheryl and all the others. I see you in the comments. A high five to all of you. And of course, a warm welcome to everyone catching the replay. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to invest in your financial education and your future. I'm proud to say that over the past decade, I've become one of the top achievers in Dewpoint, a platform that has completely changed how South Africans can build recurring income without the usual stress, stock or selling. Dewpoint has given me the opportunity to live life on my terms and help thousands of others to do the same. So, whether you are watching from home, your office, or even your car on lunch break, I want you to know that you are in the right place. Because today I'm not just going to talk about success, I'm going to show you how you can use the same exact free tools that helped me build my online income. And then you can start using it today at zero cost to begin your journey towards financial freedom. Type the word freedom in the comments and I will send you my freebie, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. Or you can get it on www.lynettebadenhorst.com. Now, before you think you need fancy websites, and a marketing degree or things like that, relax. I'm talking about simple free tools that anyone can access today. Yes, technology is there. It's not always bad. It's a good thing as well. And if you stay until the end, I'll share my Freedom 8 toolkit that's my personal list of 8 tools that built my online wealth engine. And just to be clear, this isn't one of those things, those get-rich-quick things. This is about building something real, something residual, and something you can grow without the usual headaches of starting a new business. But let's discuss the fear of starting first. Maybe you thought, what if it's too hard for me? What if I lose money? What if I can't do it? The truth is, those fears are normal. I felt exactly the same. I always say this is too much for me. It's higher than my pay grade. But I needed the income. But once you've learned how to use these 3 tools and the dew point system, everything changed. So stay with me, because in the next 30 minutes, I'll show you 8 free tools I personally use to run my online business. Next, how I use the simple, powerful dew point system to generate recurring income, and how you can combine this with Access Wealth to make money and save money. I love this one, making money and saving money. Plus, I've got a few surprises. My free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my 8 free toolkit, and information about Dew Point's official lucky number 7 cash incentive. 7,000 Rand cash is up for grabs. And yes, people are scared to start anything new, even scared of what other people are going to think or say about them. But here's the truth I had to learn for myself. It doesn't matter what other people think. It matters what you are doing to solve your financial situation. Because those same people you are worried about, they won't be paying your bills. They won't build your future. Only you can do that. And the online world makes this even more confusing because of all the gurus telling you to create digital courses, run expensive ads, build sales funnels, make webinars, and magically become an overnight millionaire. But they don't tell you the truth behind those models. The real key is to shut out all the noise and stay focused on something that has proven itself, something that has consistently worked for more than 10 years, something that's proven. But before we dive into the simple tools I use today, let's talk about something most people never consider: the real cost of following the online gurus' advice. On social media, it all sounds easy, right? Just create a digital course, just build a funnel, just automate everything. But here's the truth they rarely tell you. If you want to create a digital course, here's what it really takes. First, a CRM system, Customer Relations Manager system, to manage all your clients. A payment gateway to collect money and handle refunds. Customer supports to deal with access issues and complaints. A marketing system to constantly find new buyers. An email automation to follow up with your prospects. And an advertising budget to keep traffic coming in. And after you created one course, you'll need to create another, and another, and another, just to keep your income alive. Because digital courses lose shelf value fast. Most people don't realize this. A course is not passive income. It's ongoing work. You must sell it again and again and again. Yes, there are powerful systems that can handle all these parts for you, but they'll cost you around $200 a month, and that's excluding the marketing, the ads, or even sending WhatsApp messages. For most South Africans, that's not duplicatable. Now compare that to what I do. I create Facebook Live and publish a weekly new blog post every single week. I'm working smarter, not harder. And here's the magic. I do it using free tools. There are thousands of templates online. Pick one, add your content, and voila, your blog post is ready. It's easy, cost-effective, and duplicatable. But while these free tools are incredible, there's something even more powerful, something that has worked consistently for over 10 years and actually gives you residual income without all the stress of building every system yourself. It's called Viewpoint. Viewpoint is the only platform I've ever seen where all the complicated, expensive, and stressful parts of running an online business are already done for you. CRM, Customer Relations Manager, done. Follow-ups and reminders, done. Training, done. Legal compliance, licenses and FSP registration, done. Payment processing, product delivery, and monthly payouts, done. Your only job is to share the information, connect people to a system that works, and the platform do the rest. Everything I struggled to build for years on my own is now handled by Viewpoint, and I truly appreciate that. It's professional, it's duplicatable, and it gives ordinary people a real chance at residual income, the kind that keeps growing even when you are on holiday or focusing on your own life. And that, my friends, is why I am still here 10 years later, loving every moment of it. Now back to the free tools. WordPress is one of my favorite free tools. Honestly, you don't need a website to build a successful online business. But I built mine back in 2009, and I still love using it today. I think of it as my virtual home. It's where I invite prospects in for coffee, meaning I share something valuable, helpful, or interesting with them. And if they enjoy what they find, they might decide to stay for dinner, which is where my income generating offers live. My site runs on WordPress, which is incredibly flexible, user-friendly, and almost completely free. Naturally, that makes it a proud part of my Freedom Toolkit. And here's another bonus. My freebie and my website add credibility to who I am and to my 10-year journey with Viewpoint. They help people see that I'm real, consistent, and committed. They can go and check everything I'm posting for since 2017. And on Viewpoint, and that goes a long way in building trust. Naturally, that makes it a proud part of my Freedom Toolkit. You get free templates, themes, plugins, page builders, widgets, and even if tech freaks you out, there's no need to worry. With ChatGPT, you can handle even the tricky parts. It explains things, gives you short pieces of code, and tells you exactly where to paste them in your WordPress dashboard. So whether you need a blog, a sign-up form, a simple homepage, or even a PDF link, it guides you step by step. I truly love ChatGPT because it's my virtual assistant and it doesn't cost me anything. You truly have everything you need to build a solid online presence without spending a cent, except for your domain and your hosting. Yes, that's the two things I chose to pay for, simply because I believe in owning my own online home. Years ago, I made the mistake of letting someone else host my domain. I paid him every month, and then he didn't renew my domain, and I lost everything. All my work, all my content, everything is gone. That experience taught me a powerful lesson. If something is important to your business, you must own it. When you pay for your own domain, it's about 197 Rand per annum, and hosting about 89 Rand a month. You are not just buying space on the internet, you are buying security, stability, and peace of mind. Your hosting company handles updates, server maintenance, and most of the security headaches for you. And they have a WhatsApp helpline to assist you. And I find that very, very helpful. And it matters. Free platforms are great, but they come with a risk. If something is 100% free, I'm now talking about websites and hosting. There are usually no real incentive for the company to keep things updated, protect your content, or ensure your long-term stability. And if your account gets shut down or the platform disappears, so does all your hard work. That's why I do not invest on a free domain or things like that. I want to own it. Owning your domain with a well-known company like AfriHost means you are in control. And that's why I always recommend investing strategically in the parts of your business that truly matters. But here's why I absolutely love Dewpoint. So yes, there are powerful free tools available, and you can build an online presence, create value, generate leads, and run a business simply accessible using free resources. And I'm very open about the fact that I do spend strategically on things that make sense to me, like my domain and my AfriHost hosting. For me, that's non-negotiable because those belong to me. They are my assets. They build my long-term income. But here's the big thing I discovered after years of trying to put everything together myself. When you are trying to build your entire business alone, your CRM, your website, your sales funnel, your follow-up system, your training platform, your payment processing, your admin, it becomes a full-time job. A full-time job with no guarantee of stability, no guarantee of sales, and definitely no guarantee of residual income. Most online gurus never talk about that. They never tell you that running a course business means that you need CRM, email automation, payment gateways, refund system, customer support, branding, marketing every single month, and constant new content. And unless you have something unbelievably extraordinary, something that sells for years, there is no residual income, zero. Now, my turning point was after years of running ads, testing strategies, learning from mistakes, buying courses, spending money, working late nights, trying to piece everything together. I reached a moment where everything changed. Because while the free tools were helping me and while my Freedom Toolkit was growing my business, I realized something important. I needed a system, a simple system, a duplicatable system, a system that didn't rely on me being online 24/7. And that's exactly where my breakthrough came. The moment everything shifted, enter Dewpoint. This is the part I want you to listen to very carefully because it's the reason I've been with Dewpoint for 10 years. And it's the reason I'm one of the top achievers. Here's what I discovered. Dewpoint is the only platform I've ever found where the complicated, expensive, scary parts of building an online income are already done for you. They take care of your CRM, your app, follow-up reminders, tracking, world-class training, daily business presentations, legal compliance, licenses, product delivery, payment processing, admin, monthly payouts. Everything that's normally costs thousands of rands every single month. It's already built into your product payment. It's absolutely mind-boggling. You are not paying extra for that. You are not building anything from scratch. They've already done it. You are not reinventing the wheel. Your role, it's simple. Your job is to share information, to connect people to the platform. Let the system present. Let the system track. Let the system pay you. That's it. And here's what makes it so beautiful, simple. You can share it any way you want. Facebook, WhatsApp status, YouTube, SMS, a coffee conversation, your website, your blog, your freebie, your landing page. It's your business and you get to build it your way. And the best part, residual income finally becomes possible. Not activity income, not income that disappears if you stop. Real, growing, month after month income. And that's why I love the Deal Point system. That's why it's duplicatable. That's why thousands of ordinary South Africans are using it to build something meaningful. And that's why I'm teaching it. And now, my personal journey into lead generation. Before I show you my Freedom Toolkit, there's something important I need you to know about my journey. For years, I believed that paid ads were the only way to grow my business. Back in 2017, I started with 200 Rand a month because, like many entrepreneurs, I believed if you want to grow your business, you must spend some money to make money. Not so. And it worked. It brought in people. 90% of my Deal Point business is the result of my Facebook ads. It created activity. I thought I had cracked the code, but then something happened. As my income grew, my ad budget had to grow too. And suddenly I realized this was not duplicatable. My new teammates couldn't afford it. It depended entirely on Facebook, and that was my biggest problem. They can shut me down at any place. If they don't like what I post or my videos, they just close down my account. I have no control. And my leads were never mine. When you rely on Facebook ads or any other social media platforms, your leads belong to Facebook or the media platform. You are renting them, not owning them. And if Facebook closes your account, poof, everything is gone. That's when I discovered Tanya Liza, one of the best marketing trainers in the world. She built 8,000 customers per month without paid ads. Just free tools, just systems, just attraction marketing. I invested in her training. I studied her methods. And yes, it changed my entire approach. It was one of the best decisions of my life because today I have a system that captures my leads, follow up automatically, nurtures my audience, helps me grow without paid ads. And these are the exact tools and strategies I now teach others because once you learn them, you can build something that is truly yours. Now the tools that make it all works. Let's get to the good stuff. My Freedom 8 Toolkit. These are all free tools you can use to build your market, and manage your Deal Point business or any other business really. And there's lots of others more. Just if you need them, you can get them. It's on the website. Normally they offer a free option and a paid option. I try to stay with the free options. The first one is Canva. You can go to www.canva.com. It's perfect for creating professional looking social media posts, banners, and even presentation slides. You can choose templates, add your text, brand colors, and in minutes you look like a pro designer. Secondly, Google Docs, https://docs.google.com. It's like having Microsoft Word in the cloud. You can write posts, create training scripts, or draft emails. And here's the trick. Once you've finished a document, click share and then click on anyone with a link and click on viewer. Then anyone can see it. That gives you a free link to your PDF or training file you can send to anyone online. No website needed. You can even create free sign-up links by adding your registration URL at the end of your doc. For example, mine is https://www.lynettebadenhorst.com/register. The third one is ChatGTP, and you can get it at chat.openai.com. When your brain is full of ideas, but you don't know how to organize them, Chatty, as I call ChatGTP, becomes your co-writer. I personally use it to clean up my notes, write educational posts, and structure my training content. It's like having your own free marketing assistant available 24/7. But remember, I always say Chatty is like my child. You need to prompt him to give you the results you want. You can't rely on everything he's saying only. You need to check it. You're the master. Number 4 is Clipchamp or CapCut. Clipchamp you get at www.clipchamp.com and CapCut at www.capcut.com. These are both free video editors. They help you record, trim, and add text or music to your Freedom Friday videos without needing expensive software. A pro tip: add captions to your videos. Most people watch on mute. Both tools have auto captions features. Number 5 is Linktree. It's free. Linktree is https://link.linktr.ee. If you've got several links, like your registration page, free toolkit, and social accounts, put them all in one spot using Linktree. Then share one single professional looking link everywhere. Number 6 is Google Forms. https://forms.google.com. You can create simple sign-up or feedback forms and link it directly to your audience. Ask for their name, WhatsApp number, or email, and it all saves automatically in Google Sheets. No coding, no stress. Number 7 is WordPress. I love it because it's free to use, most of it. The core software is completely free. It's beginner friendly. You can build pages and posts with clicks, not code. Thousands of themes available. You can choose a design and instantly give your site a professional look. There's a massive library of free plugins. Add features like email forms, pop-ups, SEO tools, social sharing, and more. It's SEO friendly. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimized Friendly. Google loves WordPress. It's built to help your content get found. And that's what you want. You want people to get your stuff, to see it. And that's why you need to make sure that all your stuff is SEO friendly. It's mobile responsive. Your site looks good on any device automatically. You've got full ownership. Everything on your site belongs to you, unlike your Facebook or Instagram, where you own nothing. It also integrates with almost any tool: CRM, email platform, lead capture tools, plugins make everything connect. It's built-in blogging forms. Publish weekly posts is easy, and templates do half the work for you. I love it. It works perfectly with ChatGTP. AI can help you write content, fix issues, and even generate code when you need it. Okay? The last one is the DealPoint app. Your powerhouse tool. It tracks your income, which is the best one, your connections, and team activity all in one place. If you are serious about building a residual income, this app becomes your daily dashboard. But let's wrap it up all together. Let's recap. Most people are out there trying to reinvent the wheel, building complex digital courses, setting up systems, paying for software, and working themselves to exhaustion. But with DealPoint, you have access to ready-made business engine with products, systems, and even 3 extra free services built into every plan. You can even make money and save money, which is in my view a good thing, not so, by using a tax-free investment like Access Wealth with added cover as your product to start your income journey with DealPoint. But you can choose any one of the 8 product options, use a product and start making money. The only thing you need to master is sharing information and stay consistent. And that's why I created the Freedom 8 Toolkit to help you start simple, stay organized, and build momentum. If you are serious about taking the next step and building your own freedom, grab my free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. You can find it on https://go.lynettebadenhorst.com. I spell my name LINNETTEBADENHORST.com/blueprint. And that is your link to get your freebie. And of course, join me next Friday for Freedom Friday for another powerful session on building wealth the smart way. But before we wrap up, I want to remind you, if you are finding value in these Freedom Friday sessions, make sure you subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Lynette's Wealth Mastery. That's where I share weekly insight, tools, and real strategies to help you escape the 9-to-5 trap and build recurring income that gives you freedom. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a session. That way, even if life gets busy, you always have access to practical, step-by-step guidance on your journey to financial independence. And now the nice part. Let's talk about DealPoint's lucky number 7 incentive. How about getting 7,000 Rand cash this week? For 18 weeks, DealPoint is running a 7,000 Rand weekly cash draw from September 2025 to January 2026. By having your product paid and registering others who also pay, you could earn multiple entries into this weekly draw. The best part, while building entries, you and standing a chance to win the 7,000 Rand, you are also building a reliable income every month with free training and support. WhatsApp Lucky 7 to 082-783-5661 or comment it on this post so that I can send you all the full details. Please share, like, love, and follow me on my Facebook page. And remember to visit my blog on lynettebadenhorst.com/blogs for more of the same topics. Thank you for joining me on this Freedom Friday. I hope you are leaving today feeling inspired and ready to take action. And remember, success online isn't about luck. It's about leverage, consistency, and sharing something real. So go out there Start using these 3 tools and keep building your own freedom engine. And that's my story for the day. Bye for now.